Good morning, YouTube. This is the tree that constantly keep breaking during the storm, and so I'm going to try to take this tree. It is rotten, which makes it a little bit more dangerous than I like. The tree is tilted, and so I got to take care of the pressure off the back lean, and that's my string, my rope. It's not perfect. I wish there would have been a little bit more under the base of that limb, but that's the way it turns out. So we're going to try to take this joker right here. I got a 16-inch Stihl MS170 that I'm trying to do. And so what I'm going to do here is cut my hinge out here. It's kind of crooked there, but I'm still getting used to a chainsaw. But I need to take this one down because it's causing too much problem. So I'm probably going to just bore it out in the center and then leave a back strap, put some more tension on it, and then cut it. I got two ways of escape. My plan is to run that away in case the trunk come and do a barbature or break open or something like that. So that's my plan of escape, is through that away. But this is a pretty good sized tree. It cost so much to hire somebody, so I was going to try to take this one myself. But I got a clear path to where it's going to fall. Wish my string would have came down a little. I should have been a little bit closer when I pulled my string, but that's okay. There's my rope going there. There's my marker while I'm planning for it to fall on the red marker. I'm probably going to hook up my side-by-side or maybe drive a stake in the ground over there. I really need to have it hooked to a winch so I can pull on it when the time comes. But there it is. It's dead. You can see the limbs is dead up at the top. And so we're going to try to take this one. Hopefully I have the camera on it when it's falling. If not, I'll let you see the end result. This is what I used to get the rope over the tree. Put a little socket over some twine. Kept pitching it. It took me probably 5-7 times. Finally got to go to the place I wanted to go. But it worked out pretty perfect as far as getting this twine over, and tied the twine to the rope and pulled it through for the double knot. And so I was able to get it done. Old faithful socket. I didn't want to buy nothing, so I looked through my garage and found this socket to do it. But it was able. My knot didn't turn out where I want my knot to turn out on a tree. But I think I can get by with that to get my lean taken care of. And so this is the wider view of the base of the tree. I can run and get my 45-degree angle protection. Okay, get this thing tied down somewhere. Figure out how to tie it down, maybe on the other side of the garage. I wish I had a nail here to tie it down. And then we'll go from there. I had to use my side-by-side as an anchor point. I didn't have anything else. It's not the best. I wish I had something where I could have put a come along, but I don't, so I had to use that. But we're hooked up here. I wanted to show you my front cut here and my anchor point. It's not pretty. This is my first tree to fail, so I'm gonna walk over here to the safe side. The wind has picked up, which is another hazard. I wish it had not till I got it down, but I didn't know it was gonna be windy today. But you can see the tree is rotting out all on the inside. And I did not get my angle just right. It's really ugly. And but when I cut it open, that's when I find out the tree is rotting out on the inside, which makes it a little bit more dangerous. And I done a bull cut here. I'm about 1 inch away from my anchor point, my pivot point. And so I done a bull cut on this side, and I'm gonna do a bull cut on the other side, and then maybe put the wedges in and try to come back and overcome that lean. I got a little cut started here. My chain got loose, but I gotta cut this side here. So I'm gonna get some more bull cutting done here, leave me a little strap on the back, then pull the side by side a little tighter, then come back and cut the strap. Hopefully it'll fall the right way. That's my safety point, 90 degree, run that away when it comes loose. And I hope it give me some time, but since I know that it's riding in the inside, I don't expect the barbature or anything like that to happen. Okay, we're probably over halfway finished, and you see how it's probably gonna fall to the left because I screwed up on that, didn't get that just right. But that's my first time cutting one, and so that's what happened. I did clear everything off the bark of the tree, And so we're gonna try it and see what happens. All right, as you can see, tree was rotten to the core, all the way up to the top. We got it down. It would have been easier if I had somebody else, but that's my first one it did. Here's my marker that I estimated, but I know I missed my marker because I had a wedge on the side and my hinge was not perfect. So thankfully the dogs was out the way, but this just show you how rotten the tree is. So I'm grateful that I got down without getting hurt. I used my 90-degree angle. When I heard it crack, I ran that away. I knew it wasn't gonna be a regular tree fail because it's so rotten on the inside. You can see here how rotten it is. So we'll come and make it a stump grinder, or I may just put some chemicals on it to get rid of it. But you see, this is what messed me up right here. I didn't get my anchor just right. I had a wedge in right here, and that wedge tilted over there, which is fine. It missed the goal, but look how rotten that tree is in there. And so I'll go through the process of cutting it up over the next several days. I only got a 16-inch saw. Wish I'd have had an 18, but that's it. She's down. Don't have to worry about her falling no more. Hopefully that one will stay good. I don't have to cut it. It's so big I would have to probably get somebody else, because a 16 inch is just too much trouble. So I think what I'm gonna do is cut this up, then haul it off instead of trying to burn it. Probably be more trouble than what it's worth. I got a little old trailer out back that I can pick up the pieces with. So here it is. My first tree cut. Not too bad. I wish it wouldn't have been a dead tree, but it is what it is. Thank to God, the Lord Jesus Christ, that we came out safe and sound. Over now. Got everything on the ground. Just a matter of breaking it up. As you can see, I thought it was rotten all the way through, but it had some good stuff in it. I'm gonna take it, put it on the trailer. I'll probably go get the chain sharpener next week, put it on a trailer, and take it to the dump on one of my off days. Like I said, I wish I had an 18-inch blade. That's a pretty big tree, but a little bit harder work with a 16-inch blade, but we're getting it done. I'll come back and finish this up in a couple days. Hadn't decided how to get rid of that stump, but we'll try one way or another. Okay, this is Dan, over and out.